that idle on the slow point. I don't want, because when that choke, the more closed it is, the higher the idle is going to be. I want to open that choke up, make sure the idle is down, and now I can check my timing. Make sure my light's working. You can see it is. I wish I'd get the camera down in there to show you, but I can't. Like Will's able to, or spinning parts might hit it and break it. Right now it looks like it's about 2 degrees before it's off dead center. Because there's a BTC mark down there on this, like the first mark. So what I gotta do is adjust that timing. I gotta spin this distributor one way or the other. So what I want to do right now is shut it down. What I have to do here, there's a clamp that holds this distributor down. It's got a bolt in it. Kind of sandwiches a lip down. That's got to be loosened so this distributor can be spun a little bit. And they put them where it can be very, very hard to get to. It is a 1/2 inch. I'm going to loosen it up just a tad. Just enough where I can move this distributor and it'll stay wherever I put it. Because if you get it too loose, it'll move around on you. Okay, it took a little while to get that distributor loose where it would turn. I had to take the clamp, hold down clamp, all the way off. This is what it looks like. The distributor sits down, then it's got a lip that this seats down on and clamps it down. Had to take it all the way off, and so I'm going to put it down in there just enough to where if that distributor should spin and decide it wants to come out of there now, even though I can just barely get the turn. Better to be safe than sorry, because it's a chore to have to get everything back in and lined up again. It can be done, but if you can avoid it, you don't want to do it. Okay, my timing is right on now. I check my mechanical advance. Working. Now with the vacuum advance hooked up. Working. Running good. Okay, so do that for nothing else. I'll want to readjust that carburetor. Then back out so it's smoothed out. Do the same thing with this side. There we go. Next repair job will be probably the turn signals and the horn, and this has a General Motors steering column in it, so we'll be working with something GM next time. Catch you later. Have a good one. Bye.